I had a YouTuber ask me a question about the car, and he's got a 46 Ford cab. Now this is a 47 Ford cab, so basically what he's got is just about exactly the same as what I got. And he's working toward building a rat rod, and he wanted me to take some measurements, which I'm going to do now. I backed it off the lift because that lift brings it up in the air 3 or 4 inches. But he wanted to know how far it was from here to the ground. So that's 31 inches from there to the ground. That's from here to the ground. Now inside of here, from here to the floor, is 17 inches. So that means that with an inch of floor, this car is channeled over the rails about 10 or 11 inches. Ground clearance from here would be like 4. This body, I like this body a lot. This type of body. He showed me a picture of a 51 Ford truck, and a 51 Ford truck has a this part here goes all the way down straight, but this one goes down and then tucks back. And I always think that's a real good look on a hot rod, because this looks like an arrow, like an arrowhead, you know, facing going forward. I always thought that was a cool look. But what they did on this one is they cut the cab, they chopped it down here. Now in a regular truck cab, this part of the body would be another 6 inches or so taller, and it had this little raised section around the cab. So they cut out the window frame and just cut it all the way down to that raised part right there. So that's what we got, folks. I hope that helps. I don't know if it will or not. He's building a truck out of his, which is probably easier than to build something with a turtle deck on it like that.